Imagine a creature that can reverse aging, heal itself, and potentially live forever. Sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, right? Well, there's actually a jellyfish out there that does just that. Meet Turritopsis Dohrnii, aka the Immortal Jellyfish. My name is Jordy, and you're watching Deep Blue Mysteries. Now, this little jellyfish is only about the size of your pinky nail, barely visible to the naked eye. It's almost completely transparent, floating effortlessly through the water. But don't let its delicate appearance fool you. This jellyfish has a mind-boggling superpower. Let's break this down. Normally, a jellyfish starts life as a tiny polyp attached to a surface that grows into a medusa. That's the adult jellyfish form. But the immortal jellyfish can reverse this process. It turns itself back into a polyp, essentially pressing a reset button on its own life. This means, theoretically, it could live indefinitely. This process that makes this all possible is called transdifferentiation. It's a fascinating biological process where one type of cell transforms into a completely different type. In the case of the immortal jellyfish, its cells revert to their earlier, more primitive form. This kind of cellular reprogramming is incredibly rare in nature. So why does this happen? Well, scientists think it's a survival mechanism. When the jellyfish is injured or stressed, it essentially gets a second chance to start over. Instead of aging and eventually dying, it can reset its life to the very beginning. Researchers are fascinated by this process because it could have a huge implication for humans and human medicine. If we could understand how the immortal jellyfish is able to reverse aging at a cellular level, it could unlock clues about how to treat aging-related diseases like Alzheimer's, or even help with tissue regeneration. Now, you might be wondering, does this mean that the immortal jellyfish is truly invincible? Well, not exactly. Even though it can avoid aging, it's not immune to disease, predators, or other natural threats. It's still very vulnerable to the world around it. But if it doesn't face these dangers, theoretically, it could live forever, resetting its life cycle over and over and over and over again. To put it simply, the immortal jellyfish has found a way to sidestep the one thing that affects every living creature: the inevitability of aging. It challenges what we think we know about life and death. And while we might not fully understand how it works just yet, we're learning more and more every day. So the next time you see a jellyfish floating in the ocean, remember, Some of them could be living their life over and over again, always getting a second chance. It's a reminder that nature still holds great mysteries, and some of the most incredible answers might be in the smallest of creatures. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories from the natural world. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.